Hi products and engineers, welcome to our metal 3D printing workshop. This prototype I'm holding just made by this machine behind me. It is made with our SLM metal 3D printing technology. You can see it features a complex structure with a curved surface, but every detail has been handled perfectly. Most importantly, our metal 3D printing is not limited by the complex structure or irregular shape. So as long as you have 3D printing joints, we can help you make everything. And this kind of metal parts is widely used in the industries like aerospace, automotive, and so on. So if you are interested in SLM metal 3D printing, then please leave a like and comments. I'm very happy to help you.